Hello everyone, welcome to the new iChat student dashboard. You will notice the information is now present in a lot more structured and a clearer manner. On the dashboard, you will notice quick tool, which is what you are watching right now, how to videos, where we have added additional videos about how to make best use of this particular platform. There is also the news and announcements. If you haven't already, do check out the Destiny of Choice book and read it. Submit your reviews and feedback on Amazon. In this section, you will notice all the next steps that you need to take. So currently I'm in an account where level 1 has already been completed. So I'm being shown an option to enroll for level 2. I'm also shown the option to access the online modules for post level 1 and to register for the weekly practice session. Depending upon where you are in your journey with iChaz right now, you will notice the next step that you can take in this section. Next, as we go down, you will notice that the learning path for the coaching and psychotherapy program is very clearly defined now, which means when you click on level 1, you will have a clearer understanding of what online modules do you need to cover and what will be the session flow like. And this is something that you will notice for each of the levels. If you have done any of the courses with us, we would highly recommend that you submit your experience, share your experience with your friends and your colleagues. Remember, this is the only way in which we can spread out and reach out to more and more people. We also have a very thriving Facebook community where we engage in a lot of discussions and live sessions. If you aren't already a part of this, click over here and join the Facebook group. You'll be surprised with the amount of learning you can have by becoming a part of that group. We are also adding additional opportunities for our students to work with us. If you would like to get more details about this, connect with Sanjana on the given number. We are also adding an affiliate program going forward where you will be able to refer our courses to your friends, your colleagues, and for every friend or colleague of yours who enrolls for our courses, you will get paid an X amount of money. There's also the Visit MHP challenge. Now, most of you would already be aware of this. If you are not, please check out this challenge. This is our steps initiative to spread awareness about the importance of mental health and to encourage more and more people to join the mental health practitioners. Do take the pledge if you haven't already and help us spread the word regarding this. And finally, iChaz is available on multiple social channels. Go ahead, subscribe to these channels, follow us as we create a lot of learning material and publish it on these platforms. Now, apart from the dashboard, on this particular student section, you will notice that there is the courses section. In the courses section, you will find enroll courses. This is where all the courses that you are enrolled in are listed. Then you have the achievements, which is where you will find all your certificates. Quizzes that you have undertaken will be listed under the My Quizzes section. Currently, we don't have any assignments that you have to submit to us after the courses, but in future, if ever we add assignments options, that will be available over here. If you have submitted any notes on any of the online courses, those notes will be available over here, and if you have submitted any reviews, those reviews will be available over here. You can also edit your profile by visiting this section. You can edit the profile over here and all the details over here. And finally, whatever payments you have made to us for the purpose of enrolling for the courses will be available in this section. There will be more videos that we are going to create about how to make use of these specific courses features and so on. And also once we add the affiliate system, how to enroll for the affiliate program and how you can benefit from the same. For that, you will have to click the how to videos. Thank you.